Hey friends, it's time to save some money the fun way. If you're new here, hi, thank you for stopping by. If you're new to savings challenges, just give this video a chance. Give savings challenges a chance because they are literally the absolute best way to save money. A lot of people think they're a waste of time and they're kind of pointless, but I promise you they are a motivational tool like no other that helps you save. So just watch and see what I mean when I say savings challenges. Okay, so we have $35 from our paycheck budget that I set aside to do challenges with, and then we have like $70 or $80 here of rollover that I didn't spend. So we're gonna go ahead and put it all together and we're gonna count it up and see what we have total to work with today. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 95, 96, 7, 8, 9, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 114 total, which is a decent amount. I like to have as much as possible to put towards challenges, but that doesn't always happen. So 100, over 100, I think is definitely great. Okay, let's start here. I took the fair savings challenge out, and so now we're working on our normal challenges again. The consignment sale is over, so I don't need to, that money is spent. Tattoo is fully funded. Fair is done. So really the only one that is still like a priority with like a deadline, so to speak, is the Halloween party, which we will do. That is in the other binder. So we are starting again our regular challenges. So this first one is going to be used towards medical, and this is a brand new one I'm starting. This one is from Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets. Let me move my prop money box out of the way here. And this is just so cute. I mean, come on. It's a $100 challenge, so let's see what we get. $7. I feel like I want to only do one, and so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So 5, 6, and 7 going in to start this one off, and again it's 100, so it'll probably take me a minute to get this done, but that's okay. All right, if you like these dashboards, by the way, these like skeleton themed dashboards, these are available in my Etsy shop as a digital download. They do come in A5 or A6, and there is a sale right now. So if you like them and want to grab them, there you go. Okay, next, this is for my dog Penelope. This challenge is from Liz over at Liz and Less, and I'm first doing all the dogs and then I'm going to come back and do the names. So let's see. I think let's do 12 today. We'll do these last 2 6s because I do kind of need to get going on this one. Because her fund is like almost depleted. So $12, 10, 11, and 12 going in. And then in here, we now have 10, 25, 35, 37, 39, 40, and 41, and it's a $100 challenge. So we're getting close to the halfway mark with this one. Okay. Next, we also have another challenge from Liz over at Liz and Less. This is for school. And I actually need to take, I think it's $85 out of my school sinking fund for my son's Cub Scout renewal fee. And that's pretty much probably going to deplete the school fund for the most part. So I think I need to kind of do this a little bit faster as well than I originally thought. So let's see what we want to do today. I am doing the lower number, which is the top number. And so let's see if we could do $10 in here. I'm confused because I did the calculator and I didn't cross off a number, but I'm assuming I would have done that 8. Okay, yeah, I just counted it, and there's another one here I didn't cross off. I need to make sure I cross them off just so I know. I mean, I guess it's not a big deal. However much money is in here, but let's do 10. So Here we have a 7 and a 3. We'll do this glue and this little clipboard, and then we'll put 10 bucks in. So I do like that she has the outlines here for the shapes, so you don't really need to guess as far as where they go. And I just love this one. It's so colorful and so cute. I love it. All right, so this one, let's see, this one is going to be 75 when it's done. Let's add the 10. I think I'm gonna do 2. I'll just do a $10 bill. Okay, so 10, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 37 here in this one. And we're good to go on that one. Okay, tattoo is fully funded, yes. And daycare is fully funded also. Okay, that was a quick binder. Let's move on to the second binder and see what we're working with here. Halloween party. I feel like I might want to come back to that one because I might put sort of the bulk of the money in there. So let's do this one. This is being saved towards my emergency fund. This challenge is a digital download from Lisa Grateful Me over at the Happy Mailbox Co. And I could roll, but you know what? I don't even feel like getting a die out, and they're literally right up there. I think I'm just going to decide what I want to do, and I think I'm going to put 10 in here because this has seriously been lacking. So let's do a 6 and a 4. So we have 6 and a 4. So I cheated a little bit, but that's okay. $10 going in. So we have 20, 31, 2, 32, and it's 63. So we are halfway on this one. It's a small challenge, but that's what I like about it. And I like that I'm going to be putting 60 bucks extra into my emergency fund. Okay, vacation is another one I kind of want to do a decent amount in. I'm already running low on money. All right, let's go here to birthdays and see what we want to do for this one. So this is another one from Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets. Getting older is a piece of cake. Look how cute this is, you guys. Like, I just can't. It's an $80 challenge. I kind of want to do 2 today, but these are big numbers. Let's see. Oh, yeah. A 15. Oh. All right, I'm just going to do it. Okay, perfect. A 5. That's what I was hoping for. So we're going to do 20 in here. Yeah, we're going to do 20 in here today. And so we have 20, 40, and 50. So we only have 30 more to go. Oh, I think I should do another one. Oh, I might regret it. Okay, it's a 5. All right, that makes me feel good. I want to try to get this one finished like kind of soon because my birthday / gift fund is almost depleted. 20, 40, 55. So 55, maybe we can stretch and finish this one next time. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, the consignment sale is done, but we do need to still do these challenges. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put another sticker. Let me see if these come off. They're not coming off that easy. I got these like sticky note stickers from Temu. It's not coming off as easily as I had hoped, but that's okay. But what I was going to say is I think I'm just going to start saving for the consignment sale again now. I already know the date. It's April 9th, I believe. And so if I start saving now, I won't have to save, you know, as quickly. And it'll give me a longer period to save. And I also think I want to up my goal to 300. That might seem drastic to you guys. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't. But I buy for 2 kids, like almost full wardrobes. So yeah, like I said, I just went and 250 wasn't enough. So we're going to do goal $300 by April 9th. And so I like doing this just so I know like how much I want to save total and the exact date that I need it by. That just gives me, you know, something to reference so that I know, you know, when I have to have the money by. Okay. Let's grab orange because this is October. Let's finish this one out. This is from D over at D Plans and Budgets. It's a freebie. She had a freebie for every single month of the year, and let's finish it. 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 15, 15. Okay. So $15 going in, 5. All right, 15 here. And again, that is starting us off. There's nothing in here right now, but I am going to take this out because it's finished. So I put all of my completed challenges in a folder, on a zipper pouch, and I like to count those up at the end of the year. So I will need to grab the November one, which is good. We're actually ahead because we still have another paycheck for October. So we'll be starting November next time. And I do need to get that in here. Okay, 1K. Oh, I don't think I have enough for that. No, I don't. That's okay because I have another little bonus stuffing coming. So let's see. Let's go back to the Halloween party and see what we have there. And then try to put some towards vacation as well. Okay. So here's another one from Liz over at Liz and Les. And as I said, I'm saving for the Halloween party, which is October 19th. So after today, I only have one other paycheck to stuff this with. Let's see what we have. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36. So let's do around, let's do 20 in here, and then we'll do the rest in the other challenge for vacation. So 20 bucks. Let's finish off this 10, and then let's do this 10 here. And sorry if you couldn't see those. I know they're small, but I'm just crossing off the numbers that I'm doing. So we still have a ways to go. We have a 20 there, a 15. So we got some work to do still on this one. Let's put our little pumpkin on. That is so adorable. And we're done with that one for today. $20 going in. 5, 10, 15, 20. So now in here, let's see, the total is 150. We have 20, 45, 55, 65, 75, 77, 79, 81, 82, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 96. So we're getting there. I'm probably not going to get the full 150 because I only have one paycheck left, but that's okay. Really quickly, I am going to change out some of these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just because this, I want this money in real cash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the prop money is fine to go in the vacation fund. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. I know I have a couple prop ones in here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. So we're good to go on that one. And just one more to go for today. And I feel like this video was pretty short, but that's okay. Like I said, I do have another bonus little stuffing coming. Maybe I'll film that next. We'll see. Okay, so we have 5, 10, 11, 12, $13 left. Let's see. Both 13s are gone. And both 1s are gone. So let's do an 11 and a 2. So 11 and 2. This challenge is from the Happy Mailbox Co. Again, it's another digital download. And it's so cute, Cactus Savings, and it does come with a little envelope here. So we're making some progress. This is $225. I'm not playing it like a board game. I'm just saving every single number. And so let's see what we have. 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 95, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 106, perfect. So we're almost halfway there. Nice. All right, my friends, that covers it for today. Okay, so as I said in the beginning, if you're new to savings challenges, what did you think? There's all different types. We got sticker savings challenges. We have roll and saves where you can use a die. We have color ins. We have scratch offs. We have all the things. And actually, now that I'm scrolling through this, that reminds me, I missed a challenge, you guys. Where is my coffee challenge? Oh, it's still in here. That's why I forgot to do it. Okay, I do want to keep this cute and creepy coffee challenge going. So I just missed it, which that's fine. I'll try to remember. I should put it in the front so that I remember for next time. I think this money might go towards the consignment sale as well as these challenges, because these challenges are very, very low, which I love, but it's not going to, you know, get me to my goal. So I think I'm going to put this money towards those as well. But anyway, we have lots of fun challenges. So again, if you're new to challenges and you really need a way to save money, maybe you struggle to save money, try them out. You don't have to spend money on challenges in order to use them. Lots of creators, including myself, have free challenges. I have a freebies link down below in my description box. You can check that out. There are a couple challenges there that you can get to start you out. If you head over to the Happy Mailbox code, that's Lisa Grateful Me's Etsy shop. She has a lot of, well, they're all digital downloads. So they're very inexpensive. You can download some of those if you want to start. But no matter how you get started, I just recommend getting started. Just jump in, start. Even if you have only $5 a week to save, it's still $5 extra. And it really is going to get you on the road, once again, to saving, okay? It's going to get you in that mindset to make you want to save, to start getting used to saving, and just creating a better future for yourself. Okay, I am done. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.